Y'all, what kind of fish are these? I want to say minnows, but I mean, I think this is as big as they get. There's a whole bunch of them. I mean, this is not even. I mean, there's a whole bunch of them, y'all. Who knows what these are? Comment below. You know what kind of little fish these are. There's a whole bunch of them. Just to kind of give you an idea. An idea. Where's y'all way down there? I tell you a serious thing. This smell a lot of them. That's a lot of them. Lots of them. I don't know why, but does anybody else find this satisfying? Just sounding out, looking at this.